What's up everybody, Hair Obsessed JC here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really cute hairstyle that I did with these flexi rods. I did this hairstyle way before I clip my hair. If you haven't seen how I get rid of my damaged hair ends, please check that video out in the description box or in the info cards above. Now this is a very simple hairstyle that you can achieve at home. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be doing a center part, as you can see, and I think that the hairstyle turned out pretty good at the end. If you like flexi rod hairstyles, don't forget to give this video a like. Comment down below if flexi rods is one of your go-to heatless hairstyles. So this is the final results. If you guys are wondering how to put your flexi rods in, I already made a video about that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.